Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 3rd, 2020. Yeah, the second one is a 4-star Sudoku, but the previous one, the 3-star Sudoku, was really a 4 stars. More than 30 minutes I have solved. And I hope this one will be easier. And this one will be number 1837. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 4 is equal to 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 3 is equal to 20, 21, plus 3 is equal to 24. Alright, so let's get started. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 1, 4, 6, 9, 1, 6, 1, 1, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And then 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those three boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And then we have a pair in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. One of the missing number in those 5 missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 8, 8. Yeah. How about the 2? 2. 2. Alright. 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only three places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. Then 5, 6. The 3, the 2 is missing. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, these two boxes could be a 2. 2, 5, 5, 5, 7 is missing. Okay. 5. I need pairs. 4, 4. Yes, 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 supposed to be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between. Only place for the 4 should be there. 3, 7, 5. Alright. 5, 5. Okay, I cannot continue with the 4. How about 2, 2, 2? 6, 6, 6, 8. 8, 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only three places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. 4, 6, 2. 5, 5, 5, 5. Strange. 6, 6, 6, 6. 5, 5, 5. And how about the 2? 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between, the only three places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 could be here, could be there. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those three boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. The 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only three places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. The 2 should be here. 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 5 could be here, could be there. 1. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, in the first column, 1 in one of those two boxes. In the second column, so in the third column, only place for the 1 should be there. So 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 5, and the 4 is missing. 3, 5, and the 4. 3, 5. This is a 5. 3, 5, 4. 3, 4, 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There, 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 3 is missing and the 2 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 7, 7, 7. So 6, 2, and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 here. We have a 3 there. Yes. These 3 missing numbers. 2, 3, and 6 are missing. 2, 3, and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. One of these 2 boxes is a 3, so no 3 there. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 supposed to be there. And I have eliminated the 5. The 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this is going to be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3. Then 3 missing numbers. The 7, the 5, and the 2. Yeah. How about those 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 5 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Those 2, 7 and 3. So 3, 3. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Those 2 boxes could be a 3. 6, 8, 9. How about these 3 numbers? 5, 6, 7. No, 5, 7, 3. 3, 3. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes could be a 3. 7, 5, and 4. We have a 4 here, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 5, 5. These 3, 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. No. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and the 7 are missing. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 here in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 is supposed to be here, and the 7 goes there. Now I have a 7 here, so this box can be a 7 in this big square. One of these two boxes is 7, so this box can be a 7, so this box should be a 7. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. One box left, the 5, 4, 6. 4, 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. This is supposed to be the 6. And this is supposed to be the 4. One box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 7. Let me mark them for you, 5 and 7. So 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 3 missing numbers. The 2 is missing. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. We have there 2, no 2 there, so the only box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 7 are missing. 3 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark. We have a pair. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. Oh, apologies. 3, 7 and a 5. 7, 5, 7, 5. And a 3, 3, 3. How about those two numbers? In this column, 2 and a 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should go here, and the 3 goes there. Those two numbers, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. So those two boxes could be a 7 and the 5 in this row. The 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 7 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. Finished in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one, but faster than the previous one. So the 3 stars and the 4 stars, those are incredible ones. Yes. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary. Bye bye for now.